Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter 4 of Standard 8 SS, Standard 8 SS, chapter 4, and today it is the first lecture. The name of the chapter is the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court. My dear student, last year we learned about taluka courts, district courts, and high courts. These three courts are found in a state. Okay, taluka court, that is called trial court. That is called trial court. Okay, and if you are not satisfied, with the judgment given in a taluka court, you can go to district court, and still you are not happy with the judgment, you can appeal in a high court. Okay, so high court is called court of records. Okay, got it? Once again, taluka court is a lowest court, also called trial court. After that, district court, and after that, high court. High court is the apex court of the state. Apex court of the state. It is also called court of records. But my dear student, if you are not happy with the high court, you can directly appeal. You can appeal in a Supreme Court. You can appeal in a Supreme Court. Okay, got it? So Supreme Court is the apex, highest court in the nation. Supreme Court is the apex, highest court in the nation. But one thing, why law is necessary? Okay, for the safety and welfare of the people, for the safety and welfare of the people, law is necessary. Okay, law is necessary. My dear student, those who do not abide by the law, okay, the person who do not abide by the law, they are called criminals. They are called criminals. Okay. Now, what is the work of Supreme Court? What is the work of Supreme Court? Here I would like to say, my dear student, Supreme Court and High Court, Supreme Court and High Court, the High Court and the Supreme Court protect our fundamental rights. Okay, if anybody snatches away your fundamental rights, you can directly appeal in either in High Court or Supreme Court. Okay, got it? Now, who can appeal? Who can appeal in the Supreme Court? First thing. Okay, so first one, citizen and government. Okay, they also states. Okay, then third one, states and center, they can appeal. This, if these things are there, they can go to the Supreme Court. Got it, my dear student? Now take the example. Here I would like to give one example, that Narmada Yojana. Narmada Yojana. That is, another name is called Sardar Sarovar. Narmada Yojana means Sardar Sarovar. My dear student, in Narmada Yojana, in Sardar Sarovar, okay, when it was made, there was a problem. There was a problem about its height. The problem was about its height. Gujarat government wanted the height increasing, but other two states, they did not want. They said no, we cannot increase the height. As a result, this dispute was put in the Supreme Court, and recently we got the result that a height of the dam can be increased, and because of that, we are benefited. Not only we, even Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, all four states were benefited because of the height, increasing height. Because if height is increased, so they can store more water, and if more water is stored, we can supply to many places. My dear student, the southern part of Rajasthan became green because of the Narmada canal. Okay, because this river, okay, the water of this river reached till Rajasthan, even many parts of Gujarat, even Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh also. Got it? So here in this chapter we will learn about this thing. Now the question I have explained, but nobody thought the when it was established. When it was established, my dear student, we know India became independent on 15th August. India became independent on 15th August 1947. Okay, 1947. At that time we had no constitution. So we worked hard, and we worked at least 2 years, 11 months and 18 days in order to frame the constitution. Okay, and when constitution was ready, it was enforced on 26th January 1950. Okay, Independence Day, Republic Day. But the Supreme Court was established. After 2 years. After 2 days. Means 28th January 1950. Once again I repeat. After 2 days, 26, 28, January is there, 1950 is also there. Got it? So, one thing I would like to say, that Supreme Court was established. The Supreme Court was established on 28 January 1950. Okay? And it is in Delhi. And Delhi is the capital of India. Got it? So once again, the disputes between citizen and the government, dispute between two states, dispute between state and the center. I have written wrong spelling here. Okay? You don't make mistake. Okay? Sometimes it happens. Okay? But when you read, you just think. Okay? By mistake I have written wrong spelling, but you just correct it. Okay? So dispute between center and state. This disputes are there. They can directly appeal in a Supreme Court. Okay? My dear student, for the poor people, they have given one condition, and that is called PIL. PIL means P-I-L. PIL means P-I-L. What is PIL? PIL means Public interest litigation. Public interest litigation. It was implemented in 1980. Okay, got it? Got it? So it was according to that anyone can appeal, and anyone can appeal. And my dear student, here in this chapter you will learn about will also public interest litigation. Okay, so here we have learned about different courts. Okay, which courts work. Supreme Court is also called the courts of record. Okay, this is also called court of record. Okay, suppose any judgment is passed by the Supreme Court, that is according to that others can also follow. Got it? So once again, different courts are there. Taluka court, that is also called trial court, district court, high court. High court is the apex court of the state. It is called court of records. Now Supreme Court. So Supreme Court is the apex in the nation. Apex means the highest court in the nation. And my dear student, the dispute related to Narmada, the height of Narmada, it was put in a Supreme Court. And my dear student, which disputes are solved by the High Court, Supreme Court? The dispute between citizen and the government, dispute between two states, and dispute between states and center. They can directly go in a Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court solve the problem. My dear student, if the verdict is given by the Supreme Court, we cannot appeal further. If you are not happy with Taluka Court, go to the district. Not happy with the district court, go to the High Court. If you are not happy with the High Court, go to Supreme Court. But if you are not happy with the Supreme Court, over, because after that there is no one. Okay, got it? Where it was established? The Supreme Court was established on 28 January 1950. 2 days after India became republic. India became republic on 26 January 1950. And after 2 days, means 28 January 1950, the Supreme Court was established. And our Supreme Court of India, it is in Delhi. Got it? So here I have explained the chapter. When I explain the question answer, that time I will explain everything in detail. Thank you.